Number 1.
Full.
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 Oh, next.
Empty.
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 Next. Ang yan, diba? Dali. Agree.
Angry.
It's light.
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 Oh. What's the answer? Opposite daw ng full. Empty, angry, or light? What's that? What's that?
Empty.
Very good. Next, number 2.
Asleep.
Read it aloud.
Asleep.
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 Oh, what's the opposite? Awake.
Awake.
Next.
Happy.
Next.
Open.
Oh, what's the ng asleep? Awake, happy, or open? No.
Awake.
Ang galing.
Awake. That's the awake, not the happy.
Ang galing naman. Grabe.
Go.
Grabe galing. Tama na, hindi ko na masasend yun.
Next, number 3.
Ang galing.
Number 3. Read it aloud. Number 3. Jaden, bilis. Hindi masasend ko kay Dog. Easy.
Easy.
Oh.
Soft.
Clear.
Clear. Hard.
Oh, ano? Soft, clear, or hard? Ang easy.
Soft.
Easy. What's the easy? What's easy in English?
Hard.
Hard. Very good. Tama na to. Number 4. Yang. Basa. Yang.
Reach.
New.
New.
Oh, what's opposite of yang?
Old.
Okay. Number 5. Oh, number 5. Bilis.
The reach.
No. Number 5.
Reach.
No. Number 5.
The dark.
What?
Dark.
Okay. And then? Bright.
Bright.
Ah. Dali. Huwag mong takpan. Oh, what's next? Ito, ano to? Dim? Oh, ito. Away. Oh, what's meaning of opposite of dark, bright, dim, away?
Bright.
Ang galing, Lola.
Galing nga ba? Totoo ba yan, Jay?
Next. Ang galing.
Oh, galing.
Oh, next.
Galing.
Last.
Marami kang frame mo sa-
Number 6.
Pagkagaling mo sa school, tutuloy tayo doon. Sasama ako.
Oh, number 6.
Ang galing nga.
Sweet.
Sweet. Mine.
May.
Many.
Oh.
Anong opposite?
Green.
Green. Sour.
Sour.
Oh. Sweet. Many. Green or sour?
Matamis, maasim,
Sweet.
marami.
Many. Green or sour?
Ano?
What's the answer? Don't answer. What's the answer?
Mar.
Sour, anak.